Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can whisper in chat during Minecraft. So for example, let's get ahead and open our single player world to start this tutorial. But before doing so, I'm using the 1.18 version. This tutorial will help you in any kind of versions of Minecraft, so make sure to follow me step by step and watch until the end of this video. So let's click on play. After doing so, I will show you how you first can actually open the chat. So how can you open the chat in Minecraft? For me, I'm using the letter T. So the T letter will allow me to write in chat after typing anything and pressing enter. But for you, it can be different. So for those who doesn't have T working for them, you can just go to controls and keybinds, and from here you can check the chat option, which will be somewhere in here. Yes, here is open chat, multiplayer open chat, and from here you will be able to change it to whatever you want. For me, I'm using T. Now, how can you type in chat? As I said, you can take T and whatever you want. There is two options of whispering actually in Minecraft. The first one, which is message, last message, and for example lolly, because this is a single player word, I can't type it to anyone else, and then you can type the message, for example, hi YouTube, and that's how your friend will receive the message. Lolly whispers to you, hi YouTube. So this will help you actually in the multiplayer servers. For example, if you were playing like so many players and you wanted your stuff or your message to be safe or secret between you and your friend, you can just type slash whisper or slash message. It depends on the servers and the plugins that the server got in it. So for me, I'm using slash message to whisper to other people, and then type your friend name. For me, I'm using my own name, and then you can type here whatever message you want, and no one else can be able to see it unless the admins and your friend himself. So that was it with today's tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.